So here we go. I'm gonna make a video, show you how to crimp solar MC4 connectors. So here we have a pair of connectors clipped together, so there's no wind on it. So this is the way they go. So this, I call this the female, I call this the male. And here we have where the wire crimps to. So actually the larger one goes with the male one, and the smaller one goes with the female. So here we go, stamp the side, and we have our DC cable. It's 4mm DC cabling, so you can use a pair of wire slippers or anything. There's only a thread. I have a pair of wire slippers that I use, but I have a pair of pliers to hand at the minute. You want to strip off. It can be difficult to strip, but there we go, stripped off. Roughly an inch or so of cable. So here we go, I'm going to do the male first. So here we go. So as you can see, these wee wings on the edge of the cable here. So what I do first, put it in, slide it down to the insulation there, and then I squeeze them in my hand because the crimpers are very, very hard to get in. And then holding it like this, and then take my DC crimpers. I have 2.5, 4mm, 6. So the middle one is, it's hard to see that far away, but the middle one is a 4mm. So I want to get it, if you can see, on the wee wings, like so. Let's see if I can show you the wee wings, like so. Don't know if you can see it from the other side. No. And then I crimp it tight, and it folds. It folds them up in. See, like so. It folds the wings up in tight. So that's tight. No issue there. That is well crimped. Can't go in it, but it's tight. Then to finish it off, this is the male one. Loosen this a wee bit. I'm not sure if you'll hear it on the video, but you want to push it up in. Once it's in a bit, you push it, you'll hear a click there. Don't know if you hear that or not. And then it should be solid. It moves slightly, but it should be, this one should be well up to the top. The other one doesn't come up as far, so I'll show you that later, but that's it. And then tighten up the gland, and that's it, solid. You want to make sure it's well crimped and it's well clipped in. So if it's not pushed up in, this one won't make a good connection when the other end's clipped in, and that's where you get your arcs and potentially fires. So very important that crimped well in the end and then pushed in properly on both sides, and then you should get a good connection when you clip the other one in. So the other one is exactly the same, just I'll crimp the other end here, just for our space here. Like the side. So again, start the cable, start at the side because I need a bit of space to strip this, unfortunately. I'm going to flip that wire in. And there we go. Twist it together. And then the other side here. Push it up in, and then I'm going to squeeze. I squeeze it in my fingers as much as I can, because whatever way they come, they do not work straight away on the crimpers. So that allows the crimpers to sit into place. You can see correctly there. And here we go again, crimp it tight. And there we go. Another one, crimped on. And then loosen this a wee bit. There you go. clicked in. Yes, that's it, clicked in. And then tighten up. As you can see, this one does not come out as far. That's the type of it. And then that should be it. Should fit it, click in. Just set of MC4s. Thanks for watching.